What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Narcos, man, and today we are again changing up some things in this video. Excuse me, you know, I got my Invisalign, you know what I'm saying? You know, Invisa grills, you know, Invisa your mama. I don't know. So again, like I said, we doing something different again in this video. Today we are going to be in the kitchen. So today we are making we is making some salmon, some rice, and some broccoli. I don't cook often. I'm more of a handyman type person. I don't be looking over there. Hey, my mom, she don't want to be on the camera, but she'll be all on the camera when we was at iFly because she ain't dressed up right now. We got some salmon here. We got it from Whole Foods. We actually got two. This one, of course, was from the deli, and this one was also from the deli, but it was pre-packaged. So we're gonna try to see if we can tell the difference between the two and see if I mean, not, you know what I'm talking about, not the deli, but I'm just saying like the seafood thing, you know, where it sit on the ice and see if we could tell which one is fresher. But we gonna see. So that, and then also my mom, she has this special way of making her salmon. It ain't just making the salmon. So what she does is she makes like this honey, this glaze that you put over the salmon, and it consists of usually your honey and your soy sauce. Oh, it's already here, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about that, you know what I'm saying? And then, but also we're gonna try something different. So we got this from Whole Foods as well. Mike's Hot Honey. This thing spicy, man. I had some of that on some pizza. Oh, and this goes on the salmon too. Some slap your mama, cause it make you want to slap your mama. This is Cajun seasoning, you heard me? You know, so, and then of course the yellow rice.
Ooh, it stinks. It smells like somebody has some bad stuff going on. You need to go to the doctor.
All right, y'all, so my mom, she was just making a joke. So your fish is not supposed to stink. If it does, then you got a problem, okay? So now what we're about to do is we're about to cut up the butter and get that ready.
So we're preheating our oven at 375. I don't know what temperatures it's supposed to be on, but most black folks put their stuff on 350, 375. So that's what I'm putting it on for now. All
right, and then the broccoli's going, and then we boiling in the water. I said boiling in the water for the yellow rice. All right, so we got the garlic syrup, okay? Garlic salt, garlic powder, my bad. You know, it's from Kirkland. You know, you can buy this from Costco for the low. All right, so you're gonna sprinkle some of this on there. So you got your soy sauce. You pour, what is it, half?
And some honey.
Some more. Yeah, Lordy, yeah, Lordy. Some of this heartburn. Here, how much?
We don't have any fresh lime.
All right. So we're gonna use some juice. We don't got no fresh lime. So we're gonna use some juicy juice. Go ahead, Mom. Oh, lime. Great value. Cause you know we po. Watch.
Oh, sorry.
You got it? It's alright. See, man, y'all see my mom be trying to make me look crazy, man. You don't see me? My mom trying to make me look crazy. Alright, y'all, so we put it in the microwave, so I'm just mixing it. You know, because we had to, you know, melt down the honey that was sitting in there after we stirred it. I'm gonna put some Cajun seasoning up on the fish.
A little bit.
Show it one more time. Slap your daddy. Seasoning. So yeah, you just put a little bit because it is, you know, it is salty. You don't want to put too much on there. Okay. Now we're gonna take this. You know,
some lotion.
Some lotion, you know, cause you don't want no ashy fish, no dry fish. You know. So this is what you get. You put some butter, some all your other stuff, your seasonings, your honey and stuff. Anything else? Alright, that's it. Cause I don't pay attention to her when she be making this. So you know, like yesterday we made Philly cheesesteak. Take the salmon. That salmon. I said salmon. The salmon we gonna put it in the oven.
Why you got a glove on?
I don't know. It's for the camera.
Turn the light off.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the other glove, man.
No, up there. See, he does not cook.
See?
He didn't know what the light was.
Shout out to the UGG glove, man. You know, so you know, you gonna let it sit in there. How long we cooking for?
I don't know. Just gotta look at it.
See, you know what I'm talking about? Black people.
Broccoli.
That's the broccoli.
Don't lift it. The rice is sleeping. There you go.
Ain't gonna ugly boy. All right, so and for dessert, we either I don't know, we either have brownies or cookies. I don't care. They not gonna be homemade either. They straight from the stove. You just pop them right in the oven. Which one, Mom? Brownies or cookies? Huh? Which one did we have last? I think brownies, right? Because you put them in them cupcake things.
No, that was for chocolate muffins.
Chocolate muffins. Even though you know they taste like chocolate brownie muffins. My mom, she is making the second thing, some more sauce, the honey stuff for after we take the salmon out and glaze it. What'd you just say? What'd you just say? What'd you say? Before I put the camera on you, what'd you say? Huh? Huh?
I said, where's she shoes?
What is that?
Y'all wanna see my dog? Where Marley at? I can't even whistle because I'm about to laugh. I can't even whistle. But here he come, here he come. Look. Hey, Marley. Hey, Marley. Marley. We're all up in the camera, son. Hey, Marley. 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 Ooh, snap. He killed me. You said, say it again?
No.
Say it again?
No.
Dang your mama what?
Fine.
Alright, y'all, so we just put some salt on the broccoli and some butter. It's pretty much done. And then so the fish we are gonna leave in the oven for about 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, so here is the rice that came out. It's looking nice and beautiful. Okay. I can't even do my list. I have a list, but I can't do my list. So it's coming out. Mom, she's sitting here, she's stirring it, or what you call it, fluffing? Jesus. Anyway, she doing whatever she to keep it, the rice at the bottom so it won't be all hard, stuck on the bottom of the pot.
So they don't stick together.
I'm just playing. Oh, and I done made some. I got some cookies. I done made the whipped up the ingredients, cut them in little squares. So we got that going. I'm just playing. They just got some cookies. We got them from the stove too. Some time ago, we just making them things delicious. Triple chip cookies. All right, so we almost done. Again, we just waiting for the salmon. It's gonna finish baking pretty soon. Before we take it out, we're gonna put it on broil, on high. Just let it sit like that for a little bit. Then we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put the honey glazing over it again. Because again, the glazing that's already on it, since it's baking, it kind of gets soaked into the fish. So then we're gonna just put some more on there. It's gonna be delicious. Alright, so as you can see, we got the salmon here. We're getting ready to, put on broil. So what my mom is doing, she's basically taking the sauce that's around the sides and she's putting it back on the salmon, to make sure that, it's just not sitting on the side. You want to have it as juicy as possible. And, so she getting that thing right now, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, so this is the final product, at least out of the oven. So again, right before we took it out, we put it on broil for about a couple minutes so you can see the crisp on the outside and around. So again, we have some more of our glazing. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna add as much, because then again we're gonna use this as like sauce that we pour over the salmon once we make our plates. So we're gonna take it, so after this we're going to take some parsley, you know, McCormick. We got some McCormick parsley. We're gonna take some. Huh? This is McCormick. See, look. Act like I don't know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Dang, she snatched it from me, bruh. Look, she gonna put some on my hand so I could get it right. So now we gonna crumble it up, you know what I'm saying? Like when you trying to, never mind. What? Alright, and then we're gonna take it and we're gonna start sprinkling it. This lady's a perfectionist. If y'all can hear me, just know I might not make it after this video, but she's a perfectionist, so I don't know what's gonna happen. She's a perfectionist. Huh? This is your final product, okay? Then I'm gonna show you what everything looks like on a plate, okay? So, look, my mom. Look, so it's done. You see the salmon, the rice, the broccoli, the sauce, the garlic bread that my mom made last minute. And then you can see all this right here that she did. It took her 5 minutes just to set all this up. Cause she extra, she be doing the most sometimes. Alright y'all, so I'm actually about to end this vlog. As you see, I was basically cooking with my mom. So you see how she makes the salmon. Learn her entire process now, so we got that. But you know, basically gonna taste test it, cause hurry up. Delicious. We ain't really add too much of that Mike's Hot Honey stuff, so it's not like really spicy. Yeah, there's no spice to it, but I mean I'm fine with that. My mom wanted to try that, so the food came out really good. Nothing's dry, none of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please make sure if you did, give it a thumbs up. You know, leave me a comment or a question, or maybe suggestions about that, suggestions about other videos. Along with, if you have not subscribed yet, please make sure to go ahead and do so. Along with, share this video with other people that you know might want to see a salmon recipe or vlog for about salmon. And yeah guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Narcos out.